In Python, list is a built-in sequential data type. Lists are sequences of objects. They are commonly called containers or collections because a single list can contain or collect an arbitrary number of other objects. It is a sequence of comma-separated items enclosed in square brackets. It allows you to create variable length and mutable sequences of objects. You can store objects of any type. You can also mix objects of different types within the same list. Creating a list in Python. To use a list to store or collect data, you need to create a list object. There are various ways to create a list like list literals, list constructors, list comprehensions, etc. List literals are the most popular way to create a list object in Python. A list literal is created by enclosing comma-separated values in square brackets. This is the syntax. Each item can be any Python object, number, string, boolean, another list, etc. The list can have 0 or more items. You don't have to declare the item's type or the list size beforehand. For example, languages is a list of strings and numbers is a list of integers. List can also contain complex data types. The list inventory contains dictionaries. List can also contain another list. For example, the list matrix contains a list of integers. Each item in a list can be a different data type. For example, the list mixed contains an integer, string, float, and another list. List constructor. The list constructor is one of Python's built-in functions that is used to create a list object. This is the syntax. Iterable, a sequence, string, tuples, etc. or collection, set, dictionary, or any iterator object. A list with the iterable items is created and returned. In this example, a list of characters is created by passing a string object to a list constructor. A tuple is an ordered and immutable sequence. To modify the items in a tuple, you can convert it to a list. In this example, a tuple is passed and a list is created with the elements in the tuple in the same order. This new list is mutable. You can append, remove, or change elements. Set is an unordered collection of unique elements. In the next example, a set containing duplicate values is passed to the list constructor. Sets automatically remove duplicates, so the second triangle is ignored when the list is created. Sets are unordered, so when you convert it to a list, the order is unpredictable. A dictionary is a mutable, unordered collection of key-value pairs. When a dictionary is passed to the list constructor, a list of keys is created. To create a list of dictionary values, use the dictionary's values method to get just the values. Items method returns a view of the dictionary's key-value pairs as key-value tuples, which is an iterable. Passing it to the list constructor returns a list of tuples where each tuple is key-value pair. An empty list in Python is a list object that contains no elements. It's still a valid list type, just with a length of 0. You can create an empty list in multiple ways. Using square brackets creates an empty list literal directly. This is the most common and fastest method. Using list constructor. Calling the list constructor with no arguments returns an empty list. List comprehensions allow you to quickly create lists using a syntax that mimics a for loop but in a single line of code. This is the syntax. Expression, a Python expression that returns a concrete value, and most of the time that value depends on item. Item, the current object from iterable. Iterable can be any Python iterable object such as a list, tuple, set, string, or generator. The for construct iterates over the items in iterable and the expression returns the corresponding list item. For example, let's create a list of squares of the first 10 integers using list comprehension. Here, the range function is used to generate the sequence of integers from 1 to 10. The list comprehension loops through each number and the expression calculates the square of the number. The calculated square values are used to create a list. Use a list comprehension when you need to create a list of transformed values from an existing iterable. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.